Good morning, Year 9. So obviously our last lesson together was an assessment. Hopefully you've all sent them in to me now, and your feedback will be sent by email to you to let you know how you've done and what you need to be kind of looking at on your own throughout these next couple of weeks. So what happened in the last part of Act 2 then? What involvement did Mrs. Berlin have in the death of Eva Smith, and what involvement did Mr. Berlin have in the death of Eva Smith, please? Okay, so as always, we're going to continue to read Act 3 of An Inspector Calls now. You can choose to read through it as I've always said, you can read through it on your own. Obviously, it's just difficult when it's a play because there's lots of different characters. Or you can choose to listen to the adaptation that I've included on the Show My Homework link, or the YouTube link is here, look on the slide. And just watch the next, or listen to the next couple of pages of Act 3. Okay then, so can you summarise what has happened in those last couple of pages for me? Think about the key details, think about if there's somebody in specifically who has been investigated in this scene. You know, this task is very repetitive just on the basis that it's really important for you to know what's happening at each part of the play. So Eric Berlin is the one who has been investigated during the scene, and we learn quite a lot about him. So how was Eric involved with the death of Eva Smith? Is he willing to take responsibility? And what did Eric do that could make us question his moral qualities? Okay, if you're not sure what moral means, have a Google, have a look around, or you can email me and I'm happy to explain, whichever helps you out. Okay, so answer these in full sentences in your book, and then I'll put the answers on the next slide so you can do a little self-assessment task. Okay, we're going to have a little think about that stage direction that we had a look at right at the beginning of the play. So can you draw how you imagine this scene to look right now? So we know that they're all in the room again. So can you tell me who would be stood, who would be sat down? What type of emotion do you think they'd be displaying? You know, was Sheila going to be upset? Is Eric going to be upset? Mr. and Mrs. Berlin? Do you think there would be anyone missing from this scene, and why would you think that they would be missing from this scene? Okay, so I want you to draw how you imagine this to look on stage for me, and I want you to be thinking about those purple questions. Okay, and again, I love to see your work, so make sure you do send it over to me, and if you're struggling with anything, just drop me an email. But alternatively, that is the end of our lesson, so make sure that you get on with this task and do a good job, and make sure you complete the Show My Homework quiz.